Welcome to Sellora tutorial video. In today's video, we will see how to create a video advertisement campaign on Sellora, step by step. But first, what are video display ads? Video advertisements. Feature your product or brand with an eye-catching auto-playing video ad designed to captivate your audience instantly. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and navigate to seller.sellora.com. Log in using your registered email address or mobile number. Upon successful login, you will be automatically redirected to your Seller dashboard. From the Seller dashboard, click on Advertising in the top navigation bar. Select Start Advertising. From the options, choose Display Advertisement. You now have to select Ad Format. You have two options. Select Video Advertisement, now add campaign name. Select Budget manually, add daily budget. Set time frame. Start and end date of the campaign. Select your product. Please note, you can select only one product at a time. Now, upload the advertisement video, making sure to follow the provided guidelines. Once the video is uploaded, let's move on to the targeting section. Here, select the appropriate category for your product. Next, add your bid, then click Save. You'll now see a preview of your video ad. You can also add or edit the description manually as needed. Finally, click Submit Campaign. Thanks for watching this image display ads tutorial. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.